Bose Frame product.
So ito yung, ang model nito ay Bose Frame product.
Bose Frame.
Magkano pala to, boy?
69 KD.
So 69 KD is around mga 11,000 sa Pilipinas,
11
no?
to 12,000.
11. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Kerv, Bisaya. Nagbabalik na naman tayo mga kabistap. So mga kabistap, nandito tayo ngayon na naman sa Alcott at titignan natin itong Bose na brand kasi mayroon daw silang bago ngayon na sunglass with Bluetooth. Ayan, tingnan natin kung maganda pa talaga mga kabistap. So samahan nyo ako dito mga kabistap. So makikita mo yan, ito yung butik nila yan, sa butik nila yan. So puntahan natin yung mga kabistap. So tara na. So ngayon mga kabistak, ayan na po yung sunglass na with Bluetooth. So i-explain to ngayon ng salesman dito po sa Bose. So ayan po siya. Ayan. So ayan, ito na. Boy, anong function nito, boy?
Umpisa, pag mag-Bluetooth pairing ka, press mo muna tong button na to. Tapos open mo yung Bluetooth mo sa device. So once na i-on mo dito, mag-connect yan. Connect dito. Pag naka-connect na siya, pwede mo na siyang gamitin for listening music or for calls, pwede siya. Okay, ganun siya. So ngayon, try natin yung music dito. Pero pag nagbo-volume control ka, wala dito. Nandito lagi sa device. Yung volume control. Pag gusto mo malakas, mahina, dito lang. So ngayon, naka-paired siya dito, pwede siyang gamitin for calls. Pag receive ng calls, dito lang, i-press mo lang tong button na ito. Okay. Tapos pagka na-receive mo na, once na gusto mo naman na i-shutdown na yung calls, press mo ulit ito. So once na pinrest mo, end call na ibig sabihin.
Okay, so pwede ba natin subukan yung sounds niyan?
Ito.
Lakasan mo nga kung malakas ba talaga at maganda ba ang ano?
Ito. Medyo katamtaman lang kasi direct sa tenga yung ano nito yung sounds. Yung katabi mo maririnig pero mahina lang.
So kabilaan ang speaker nito?
Kabilaan yung speaker niya.
Okay.
Yung battery niya up to 3.5 hours ang paggamit. Continuous full volume na yun.
Okay.
So may standby timer siya kung gusto mong magtagal yung ano niya, yung battery niya. May automatic standby timer or gusto mong i-shutdown, igaganto mo lang siya, mag-o-off na siya, automatically off na to.
So ihiga mo lang?
Oo, ihiga mo lang, off na to.
Okay. Automatic na siya?
Oo. So, once na binalik mo ulit, tapos pinrest mo to, automatically mag-on na sa yan.
Mag-paired na naman. Kung nakakonect na yung device.
Nakakonect na yung device.
Okay.
So try mo.
So,
may salamin naman dyan.
Okay.
Kailangan mo rin ng application, dina-download yan, App Store or Google Play. Mahalaga to kasi ito yung nag-update ng software nung Bose Frame product.
So ito yung, ang model nito ay Bose Frame product.
Bose Frame.
Magkano pala to, boy?
69 KD.
So 69 KD is around mga 11,000 sa Pilipinas,
11
no?
to 12,000.
11 to 12,000, no?
Pero sa Pilipinas yata, nagkakahalaga to ng 17K.
17,000.
Mas mura rito sa Kuwait.
Kasi walang tax.
Walang tax. So itong application, makikita mo dito yung battery life niya, 90%.
Okay.
Tapos Bluetooth connection, naka-connect siya dito. So So, meron din siya tinatawag na AR.
AR, yan yung third company or another companies which is they can also control your sound, your glasses, and at the same time AR, yan yung other specification or additional specification ng glasses mo. Additional specification ng glasses mo. For example, may other third companies na nagmo-monitor through GPS. For example, GPS, it means that if you're using your glasses online, they can track you down whatever the movement of your head, and at the same time and also the places that you're going through. For example, you're walking at the park and at the same time and you go in front of one shop, as long as the shop is registered to the internet, they will tell you the apps will tell you what are the common items that the shops is selling through that application. And also this AR, it comes with not only to control your glasses, and at the same time this AR, you can do a lot of things. For example, you're driving a car through GPS. No need for you to look at your device. The AR will tell you which place you will go, if it will give you lesser time to go through your destination.
So it's like voice call, no? Voice out.
It's same like a voice command.
Voice command, yeah, exactly. So that's the meaning of AR. So,
It's another third company which can control your glasses. It's depend on their application. What kind of applications they're giving you.
So it's built in already.
It's built in already. No need for you to add more other devices.
Okay. So how about the charging for this one, sir? How many?
This one, it has
how many hours?
same like other devices that you need to plug it in. This one you need to do is to put your charger like this and tap it like this.
So it's a
It's magnetic charging. You will charge it for about 30 to 45 minutes, and it can give you up to 3.5 hours based on the maximum volume. But if you make your volume lesser than 100%, it can give you more than 3.5.
So minimum they will give the maximum per hours is 3 hours.
3.5 hours.
3.5 hours, huh? How about for the maximum volume? Even the call and the music?
Whatever it is, as long as it's a maximum volume.
Okay. So this is the
Good thing for this one also, you can change the lens on this one. Actually, you can go to other optical. If you're using the lenses with the grade or something like that, or the medical glasses. But for that one, doing that one, it will void your warranty.
So if you replace the glass, guys, they will avoid the warranty for this one, guys. If you replace the
Take your
glass,
own risk for that.
Yeah, exactly.
But they can change.
They can change because it's a removable.
Personalization.
Yeah, personalization.
Because this one is sunglasses, so normally you will use it under the sun. But if you will use it if you're inside your home or in the mall or something like that.
Okay.
It's up to you if you want to change the lenses.
So how many kind for this one, sir?
We have 3 sizes. We have this one, you're seeing it, small to,
Okay.
we have the alto, and we have the rondo. Rondo is specially made for the diamond size of the face, or especially made for the ladies.
Okay. Again, this one is the alto, and this one rondo, and this one
Small to.
is small to. So guys,
Difference between the two, you will see the bridge. This one is specially made for the Asians, and this one for the who has the large size of the nose, for
like
example.
European or like American. So this is the Bose Frame, mga kabisdak. Ayan. So pinaliwanag po ni sir kung ano po yung ibig sabihin ng Bose Frame. Ayun nga, nagbigay na nga siya ng idea sa atin. So ito yung bago nilang sunglass ng Bose. So tingnan natin, ayan. So ayan mga kabisdak, tapos na tayong mag-review nitong tinatawag nilang Bose Frame. Ayan, ito ko lang ikita mo yung tatlo na yan. Ngayon po, tapos na tayong mag-review. So sana mga kabisdak ay mayroon na naman tayong matutunan ngayon sa pag-vlog natin sa pag-review nitong brand na itong Bose Frame na tinatawag nila. Sa mga hindi pa pala nakasubscribe sa ating mga kabisdak at hindi pa naka-like at hindi pa nakapanood, panoorin niyo yung mga videos ko mga kabisdak. Ayan, so dito na lang po ako mga kabisdak at God bless po sa ating lahat.